What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to take a look for some reckless driving on the streets. And these guys who are driving recklessly, they are probably getting chased by a cop. I just found a video here, and yeah, let's just jump right into it.
Welcome back. A police pursuit begins in silence, but one wrong choice sends everything spiraling out of control. Flashing lights, rising tension, and a point of no return lie ahead. Stay with us. Some stories only tighten their grip the longer you watch.
You know, what's on my mind is that when you see that damage already here at the backside of the car, I'm thinking like, man, why are you still thinking about getting away? You know? But at this point, for me, it's useless. I mean, in general, don't get me wrong. In general, don't try to, drive away from the cops or something. Don't do that. Please, don't do that.
Fighting one. Can you put your hands on my bumper here?
Oh, I ain't gonna do it.
Oh, come on now, Dennis. Dennis?
Okay, why not?
On the 14th of December 2022, in Tallahassee, Florida, USA. At first, the driver of this Nissan Altima pretended to cooperate, perhaps hoping to talk his way out. But no, this was a calculated trick. The moment officers prepared to step out, he floored it, turning a minor ticket into a long list of criminal charges.
Yeah.
One decision that would completely change his afternoon.
Now he's trying to drive away.
On a narrow two-lane road, the suspect recklessly crosses into oncoming traffic, nearly clipping a logging truck. A split second closer, and it could have turned deadly.
I would like to see the speed here, how fast he is, or minimally how fast the cops are.
Ignoring a stop sign, he makes a sharp turn onto the main road, forcing other drivers to slam on their brakes. Public safety is cast aside for a fragile hope of escape.
Yeah, I mean, he can't go away, I guess. Most of the time, people can't run from cops.
Westbound out there.
Hey, that was not good for the suspension. Oh, there he is again. Hello.
After a tense pursuit, the officer waits for the perfect moment and executes a precise PIT maneuver on a highway exit curve. The Nissan loses control and slides across the grass. The escape collapses.
Westbound out there.
All right. So the second police car was hitting the corner too, right? At first I thought it's the first car, but no, he hit it again. Yeah, he hit it too.
Smoke pours from the car as guns are drawn, and the command rings out. Get out of the car. Petravian Rochard Texel, 28, is
Fleeing at high speed, reckless driving, repeated felony offenses. Yeah, and I don't know why he was even thinking about, okay, now it's a great idea to get away,
taken into custody, paying the price with 5 years in prison, 5 years of probation, permanent license revocation, and fines for fleeing at high speed,
Yeah.
reckless driving, and repeated felony offenses. One small ticket traded for an entire future.
Yeah. This is what you get.
Yeah, I think it was just the grass.
For what?
Good. Everybody good? Everyone's good? Everybody's good, right?
At Elva, Chugoe, on the 29th of April 2024, in Florida, police spot a black Dodge Charger blasting over 177 kilometers per hour, 110 plus mph, in a 96 kilometers per
110
hour,
miles. All
60 miles per hour zone. The driver weaves recklessly, turning I-275 into a personal racetrack. When officers signal him to stop, he floors it, igniting a dramatic high-speed pursuit.
And there he goes. Oh, that was not. You know, I'm always wondering what these guys are hiding, you know, that they're thinking that, yeah, it's a better choice, you know, running away from the police. Ah, there he is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Even the police is driving fast. Oh! Jesus Christ. And now they're running away.
Get the fucking car. Get on the ground or you're gonna get tased. Get on the ground or you're gonna get tased.
Trying to squeeze through a tight gap between a semi-truck and a sedan, the suspect gambles everything on a reckless move. The result, a double collision that exposes his limits and total disregard for safety. With no more chances given, officers deliver a decisive PIT maneuver. The Charger spins out of control as commands ring out. Get out of the car. The speed game is officially over.
With him. As soon as I seen his
I don't know if they
I
can
figured
see
something
or
was in there.
we can see
As
that
soon as I started to slow down,
they're
started
getting
to
them,
and
but
he stopped drastically, you know what I mean? So, like
let's
crash
see.
right into you. So I figured, hey, I'm gonna put him on. I'm not gonna hit you. Yeah. Physically okay. Yeah. Sorry, man, that happened. Man.
You can't outrun the inevitable. Tavion Lajuan Robinson, 20.
so felony fleeing, reckless driving, leaving the scene, resisting without violence. Okay. So yeah. Sadly, we don't know what was the reason why they were trying to get away. Yeah.
2 is captured while hiding in a trash bin, facing felony fleeing, reckless driving, leaving the scene, and resisting without violence. He's looking at 5-10 years in prison,
For
potentially
real?
15 plus years, permanent license revocation,
Oh.
and fines run.
Oh my God. You see, I don't know if I see this like 5 to 10 years in prison for for this action he just did, you know. I don't know. This is not worth it in my opinion, you know. I mean, in his opinion probably it was, but I would never do some stupid stuff like that.
Running only makes the consequences worse.
You said they're gonna get you a walk. Can I talk to my mother? Yeah. You know her number? Yes, sir.
Bagley, Minnesota.
How are you?
On the 13th of November 2025, just after noon, a Clearwater County deputy sheriff spots Dennis Hoey, 75, at a gas station and attempts to arrest him on a felony warrant. The initial conversation seems calm, but quickly spirals when Hoey refuses to cooperate. Instead of complying, he turns an old pickup truck into a getaway vehicle, igniting a dangerous pursuit.
Dennis! How are you? You doing all right?
Yeah, good, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're at the VA today, huh?
Yeah, VA appointment in the morning at 9 o'clock.
I'm wondering why this cop is pulling up on this old gentleman. I mean, he's 75 years old, right?
How'd
Maybe
Maybe he got some reputation already.
that go?
I went good.
Went good?
I went down last night about, I left early. I got there about, got to Fargo about 11, 11:30, and I put the fuel on and went over to the VA. Slept there last night.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Can I have you step over here? I just got to talk to you about something, okay?
Sure. Can I finish this here first or what?
I'll keep an eye on it, okay? Let's just step over to my vehicle. You got any weapons on you?
Jeez. Do you see this hole here? Man, I'm sorry. I'm thinking as a German, you know, you can't get this car on the street legally with a rusted hole like this on the left side or in general, you know. You have to fix it. You have to fix this. Jesus Christ.
Without reaching for anything?
No.
No guns or anything on you?
What do you want anyway?
Well, I'm just asking you, do you have any weapons on you?
No.
No? Okay, let's step over to the front of my car here, okay? Want to just keep your hands out of your pockets for me?
Yeah.
Just step over here for me, okay? Can you put your hands in my bumper here?
Oh, I ain't gonna do
Oh, come on now, Dennis. Dennis? No. Okay. Hey. No. You are on. Fighting one, fighting one. Dennis, show me your fucking hands!
Why is he doing that?
One at gunpoint. Give me some units now.
I mean, the police obviously know him, or else they would know his name or call him by his name.
Show me your hands, Dennis. 12 Clearwater, give me some units. Fighting one. Dennis, show me your hands. Dennis, stop. Show me your hands. Do not get in that car.
Why is he acting like that? Man, you're 75 years old, man. Don't do some stupid stuff like
12
that.
Clearwater, he's back in his car. Do not drive away.
And he's driving away.
75 years old, wanted on a felony warrant, and ignoring commands. Dennis, show me your FEF. Ing hands. He keeps accelerating. A reckless choice that pushes the confrontation far beyond safe limits.
He's armed. He went for the vehicle when we were fighting with him at the gas station.
Well,
He's found 202, I'll call it. Through the lawn. We're eastbound on Webb Street through the yard.
weird old man.
Hit.
But now he's at home.
Watch crossfire.
Get your hands up! Hands up!
We got a.
Your hands up!
I got a window popper. You want me to pop it?
Pop it.
Gun! Stop!
Get away!
Shots fired.
Back up!
Gun! Stop!
Get away!
Shots fired.
Back up!
Start me medical. Shots fired. Fuck me.
Northwest of Bagley, shots fired.
So they shot him?
Dude, you had a fucking gun.
Yeah, by the way, as you can see, this video is from Chase Alert. Make sure to check them out.
No.
You bleeding on my head or anything?
Yeah, okay, I need you to back up. Okay, I got you.
Cornered, the situation reached a breaking point. Dennis Hoey, 75, discharged a device toward officers, leading to a fatal exchange as deputies responded to the immediate threat. The encounter ended tragically at the scene, a stark reminder of the consequences of escalating a confrontation with law enforcement.
Sad. So, you know, as you can see, it's never a good choice to run away from the police. So never do that, you know. I don't know what reasons these people have, but yeah, this is useless, you know. I don't know what they're thinking, what these people have on their mind. Like, I don't know, they have some like a Hollywood movie on their mind. Like, hey, I can probably do it, you know. I can run away, but yeah, as you can see, in most cases, you don't.
I stay away from the things that be causing me trouble, just out here enjoying the view. Seeing shit I never had, boy, I used to be a bad boy, and now I'm in my bag, boy, I knew.